All right, we're gonna do some burpees. Now, burpees are an exercise that we often have a love-hate relationship with, and you will find out very soon exactly why. So we're gonna be starting out from a push-up variation, and before I get started, actually, we're gonna go through a couple variations here, so if you can't do a full regular burpee, don't worry, we got you covered. So, we're gonna start from a full push-up position. Our hands are gonna be at the sides of our body, just about lined up with our lower chest. Now, I'm talking about the palms lined up with the lower chest, just about here. Elbows are gonna be out about 45 degrees away from the body. We're gonna get a strong push, power from the chest as we drive our bodies upwards. So, drop down, big press, and then we're gonna tuck our knees in. So, a little hop, tuck our knees in. We're now into a squat position. Get a strong push. And we're pretty much doing a jump squat. So pushing through the heels, transitioning that force from the heel onto the toes and the balls of our feet, and lifting up, trying to touch the ceiling every time we jump. Now, let me show you a couple. Woo! All right, so that is a full burpee. Now, if you're unable to do that, a couple options we have as variations. We can start with a push-up from your knees. So same thing, push up from your knees here, drop down, press upwards. As far as hand positioning, elbow and placement, that would work the same way as a push-up. The only difference here is we're on our knees. So we want to make sure our body's nice and straight, lined up, engaging the core. Hips are straight, not pushed outwards, okay? So we're not trying to come down like this. We're trying to come down all the way straight. So after the push-up, knees tuck in, and jump. So that's another variation you can do if you're unable to hit a full push-up. Now, if you're unable to hit a push-up from your knees, then we can switch out with another variation. We'll grab onto some form of weight, in this case a kettlebell. Make sure we have a nice firm grip on the kettlebell. We're gonna hold it by the ball. We're gonna lay down and basically do a chest press from the floor on up. So we're gonna push up, that's our pressing movement. We're gonna sit up, set this kettlebell down onto both feet and press up into a jump. So another time for you. Press up, sit up onto the feet, and jump up. So that would be another burpee variation in case you're unable to do the full push-up version. So that's our burpee. Let's have some fun with it.